反對美國
反對美國
實施制裁，
實施制裁，
反對美國
反對美國
粗暴干涉香港事務，
粗暴干涉香港事務，
反對美國
反對美國
粗暴干涉中國內政。
粗暴干涉中國內政。
好，我哋而家將時間交俾立法會議員陳勇。各位市民、各位媒體嘅朋友同埋全世界，大家注重和平、法治同埋共同人類命運共同體發展嘅朋友，對於美國國務院無理宣布制裁6名中央駐港機構同埋香港特別行政區政府嘅官員，我哋民建聯係表示強烈反對，反對美國國務院嘅無理制裁。以下係我哋民建聯嘅一個聲明，我哋係強烈反對美國粗暴干涉香港事務同埋我哋中國嘅內政。民建聯對於美國國務院無理宣布制裁6名中央政府駐港機構同埋香港特區政府官員，並且發布歪曲事實嘅所謂2025年香港政策法報告，表示強烈不滿，堅決反對。美方此舉粗暴干涉我哋香港事務同埋我哋中國內政，嚴重踐踏國際法同埋國際關係嘅基本準則。我哋敦促美方立即停止呢啲卑劣嘅政治操弄。事實係勝於雄辯嘅。自我哋香港國安法實施以來，國家安全法治體系持續完善，國家安全嘅屏障有效築牢。經過完善嘅選舉制度，亦都充分體現愛國者治港嘅原則，確保特區嘅管治權牢牢掌握喺愛國者手中。而香港警方依法對於海外反中亂港分子採取嘅依法嘅行動，以及香港司法機構嚴格依法履職，秉持獨立公正原則審理案件，共同有效打擊危害國家安全嘅行為，更得到香港市民廣泛嘅認同。香港已經進入咗由治及興新階段，唔單止法治根基持續鞏固，我哋香港營商嘅環境亦都穩居全球嘅前列，發展動能持續增強，市民各項權利自由得到切實嘅保障。全世界好多朋友居住喺香港營商嘅朋友都係深有體會嘅，呢啲都係公認嘅事實，亦都係一國兩制成功實踐嘅最佳詮釋。美方嘅任何罔顧事實嘅政治操弄，都係無法動搖我哋香港繁榮穩定嘅堅實基礎。我哋正告美國國務卿盧比奧同埋國務院其他嘅官員，冇枉助小人。美方所謂嘅制裁，擾亂香港同埋壓制中國發展嘅政治圖謀，注定徒勞無功。香港事務純屬我哋中國內政，任何外部勢力都無權對香港事務說三道四。美方必須立即停止插手香港事務同埋中國內政，又恪守國際法同埋國際關係嘅基本原則。對於美方嘅錯誤行徑，我哋表示強烈反對，反對美方嘅無理制裁。唔該晒。
好，跟住我哋有請我哋民建聯副主席周浩鼎議員。
Ladies and gentlemen, we DAB are here to express our unwavering opposition to the United States' overt interference in Hong Kong SAR and China's internal affairs, particularly in light of the recent announcement by the U.S. State Department regarding the so-called sanctions against the 6 officials of the Hong Kong government and the central government agencies. The release of the so-called 2025 Hong Kong Policy Act report further distorts the reality on the ground, forming an unfounded intervention that undermines the fundamental spirit of international relations and international law. It is imperative that the U.S. refrains from engaging in underhanded political tactics. Since the implementation of the Hong Kong National Security Law, there has been a significant enhancement in the national security legal framework, which has effectively fortified the region's defenses against external threats. The reformed electoral system in Hong Kong upholds the principle of patriots administering Hong Kong, ensuring our governance lies in the hands of those who are genuinely committed to the prosperity and stability of the city. Our Hong Kong police have rightfully taken action against criminals that seek to destabilize the nation, while the judicial system has adhered strictly to its duties, upholding judicial independence and impartiality in its operations. This commitment to the rule of law has led to an appreciation from the public and has contributed to a renewed stage of development in Hong Kong, which is able to deliver good governance. Hong Kong's stability translates to a solid foundation for its global business environment, fostering sustainable growth and guarantee the protection of citizen rights and freedoms. These outcomes represent a successful application of the one country, two systems policy, a framework that is increasingly recognized internationally. Just to add a note here, up to this month, Hong Kong ranks the third again in Global Financial Centers ranking. That certainly serves as a proof of our comeback. We now give a warning to the Secretary of State Rubio. The efforts by the United States to manipulate the narrative are futile and cannot undermine the achievements we made so far. Rubio and other officials should notice we give a warning against their wrongdoings. The sanctions imposed by the United States are all ill-intentioned political maneuvers, which is doomed to fail. In conclusion, Hong Kong affairs are unequivocally China's internal affairs. External forces have no rightful claim to interfere. We urge the United States to immediately stop its meddling in Hong Kong SAR and China's internal affairs and to adhere to the norms of international law and respect for sovereign integrity. Thank you.
好，我哋再嗌多幾次口號。民建聯強烈反對，
民建聯強烈反對，
反對美國
反對美國
所謂制裁。
所謂制裁，
民建聯強烈反對，
民建聯強烈反對，
反對美國
反對美國
干涉中國內政，
干涉中國內政，
干預香港事務。
干預香港事務。
民建聯強烈反對，
民建聯強烈反對，
反對美國
反對美國
雙重標準。
雙重標準。
民建聯強烈反對，
民建聯強烈反對，
反對美國
反對美國
干預香港事務。
干預香港事務。
好，我哋現在咧由立法會議員將請願信咧放到去美國領事館。正如以往咧，美國領事館都唔夠膽揾人出嚟接信啊，咁所以咧，我哋將請願信咧會放喺美國領事館嘅門口。希望美國咧睇完之後可以反省下自己嘅行為。民建聯強烈反對，
民建聯強烈反對，
反對美國
反對美國
實施制裁，
實施制裁，
反對美國
反對美國
粗暴干涉香港事務，
粗暴干涉香港事務，
反對美國
反對美國
粗暴干涉中國內政。
粗暴干涉中國內政。
民建聯強烈反對，
民建聯強烈反對，
反對美國
反對美國
實施制裁。
實施制裁。
民建聯強烈反對，
民建聯強烈反對，
反對美國
反對美國
粗暴干涉香港事務，
粗暴干涉香港事務，
粗暴干涉中國內政。
粗暴干涉中國內政。
好，我哋將請願信咧放喺美國領事館嘅門口。
hold 住一陣啦嚇，唔該。等等啊嚇。